begin. We are doing close passage 9. Who would like to read?
Me, Miss Dolly.
Okay, lovely.
If you walk down Chinatown today, you blank see that the most prominent building blank is Chinatown Point.
Very good. What is the first blank? You?
Will.
Who did not start right? Will. Everybody wrote will? The idea is after that sing a song, okay? For every mistake. So now, will see. If you walk, you will see.
Yes, Miss Dolly.
Okay, now, what is number 2's answer?
There.
There. Yes, there. Not my answer.
Where? Where?
It's there.
So I'm asking where is there?
Chinatown.
I said where, he tell me, no it's not where, it's there. Yes, the answer is there, my dear. You are right, it is there. But where is there? Yeah,
Chinatown. Point.
Chinatown Point and where? Sorry, there. You mean, are you okay?
Miss Dolly, it says there is Chinatown Point. That means it's Chinatown. In Chinatown.
If you walk down Chinatown, you will see the most prominent building there in Chinatown, yes. Chinatown and there, not Chinatown Point, huh? Chinatown and there. Okay, now, carry on, Mr. Vincent.
Yes, I'm sorry. It stands out as
Hey.
it stands blank as the most modern building there.
Stands?
Out.
Okay, I'm going to ask someone, and that someone, the first person is Maxindia. Give me another word for stands out. Prominent, very good.
Outstanding.
Very good. The rest of you, good thing Miss Dolly didn't ask. Okay, I know who you are. So the two of you are safe from next question. Is there a reason why you are looking? Would you like to come stand over here? You can be the superstar. All right, now let's carry on.
Miss Dolly,
Stands.
Oh, okay.
Stands out. And what is the it stands for?
Chinatown Point.
Very good. Highlight Chinatown Point, highlight it, highlight stands out. And where is the there?
There.
There is there.
Chinatown.
So, can you please connect the there line 3 to number 2 to number 1, Chinatown?
Yeah.
I mean, each time we do it, you discover something. Hey, there's a there over there. Right?
Oh, see.
Okay, good. Carry on, my dear.
Yes, I'm sorry. Years ago, however, the old storehouses along the street were the blank of activity.
Were the what of activity?
Center.
Center of activity. If I don't use the word center, what do I say?
Heart.
So,
It's the heart. Why? What does this look like? Ribbon? Ribbon of activity. Yes.
Miss Dolly, can we spell as C-E-N-T-E-R?
There's only one spelling that we accept, and what is it?
C-E-N-T-R-E.
What is ER? No. What is the spelling for center with the ER instead of a RE? Nobody knows?
American.
American, yes. Obviously, you don't know New Cambridge Education Center. Go and see all the centers, you will see that it should be this spelling. Alright, carry on, my dear.
Miss Dolly.
Center of activity.
Yes, I'm sorry. Blank the Chinese New Year season stalls.
Not Chinese, it's a Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year season stalls selling all kinds of goods line the street in Chinatown.
Okay, so what is number 5? During. So please highlight during and Chinese New Year season, which is together.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Only 2 lovely people answer. The rest of you are Mr. Yaba's friend, is it? Hanigo, what happened? Haidilao come out, nothing working over there. And he's frozen, you know, ever since the video has been telling me it's been...
Phobia.
No, is at one corner and
Oh, he
you've
does not
got
want to
such a wide space.
he does not want to be seen by camera.
No, but he's got that wide a space and then you keep yourself that way for what?
He does not want to be seen by camera.
Oh, you don't want all the lovely girls to see your handsome face. Anyway, you're masked up, what? They can see you. That's why he's okay, because he's masked up. They can hear his lovely voice. Alright? Okay,
Goods blank from food to clothes, flowers to household provisions.
okay, we talked about it so very many times, this one.
Ranged.
Is it ranged over here? Yes. Ranged from and then to.
Yes, answer.
Who got this wrong?
Yiming.
What did Mr. Ming Ming write?
Ranging. Ranging.
Oh, wrong tense. Okay, at least he wrote the word. Anything else?
But
Hold on, my dear. He said
Yes, sorry.
me.
I wrote line.
Goods line from. You know, Mr. Danny, we've done this so very many times. So you're going to sing a song.
but what about Yiming? Yiming got 4 wrong.
He just snorted. Why do you snort? You're so nervous. Relax. Relax. Okay, be yourself. Okay, carry on.
Yes, sorry. These stalls were blank.
Blank. What, you wanted to vomit and you took the word back? Can you imagine who was going to vomit? Everything went back again. Would you believe I actually saw something like that happen when I was a student? It wasn't vomit. Guess what it was? I saw this lady, right? I was a student.